Oh my god, hello. Oh my goodness, hello. This is a zoom in shot. I appreciate the views from the Droidica video I did yesterday. And oh my god, you've just popped out. So I do apologise. I've got to sort my Droidica out again. There we are. But this time we're looking at another Lego Technic Star Wars. This time, this set number is 8001. I forgot to mention the set number for the Droidica, which is 8002. Which is the Droidica. This is the B1 Battle Droid. And of course, I actually forgot to change some parts. I forgot to change it to this one before I actually done the video. I was just so in a rush, I just wanted to get it done, really. My computer's in charging. Anyway, here's the box. I got this one brand new. Apart from the box damage there, but there it is, the Battle Droid. You can see an MMT in the background. Of course, this is from episode 1. Of course, if you see up this box, this is the security droid. I probably will show that in the video, but I've got to do some modifications. And here's the secretary droid. Well, I do have it in the secretary droid. I may as well show that version first. Of course, there's the combine. There's the extra model you can make from this droid, which I don't want to do that. And here's how it is. And here's some film stills. And this is it. And here, and comproom. I want to keep. Yeah, of course, I've got to mention this is a 3-bag build. This is a 3-bag build, and here's its paperwork. Here's the instructions. Here is the instructions on the Battle Droid. Bag 1 is the legs and the lower body. Bag 2 is the body and the head, and bag 3 is the arms and the gearbox. Anyway, let's bring you a little closer. Right. First thing is, as I've shown on the back of the box, pull this up. And I've got to mention in this bag, oh god, the camera's taking a dive. Apologies. I've got to mention in this bag is all the optional pieces. If I had 4 blue ones, I would have made the pilot droid, but I don't have the parts. Anyway, we'll be showing these off in the video. So here's you go. You put those antennas up. You push that little button on the back. Oh, I forgot. That gear now blends in with the droid. That came with those new gears. The first job lot is spare Technic. That's how I think that. The original gear is supposed to be grey, but I decided I want to put a cream one so it fits the droid. You push that little button there, and then it activates the droid. Like this. Like this. Well, since this is going to be the secretary droid, so let me just sort it out. Just take that off. It's simple. You take the gearbox off for the gun. There we are. And there's one of the first variations. Here's the first variation. The commander. It's simple. You take this piece off. You take that piece off. There's one of the variations of the droid. Of course, the variations you've got to do according to the instructions. So according to the instructions, according to the instructions, you've got to pull the middle bit off and take the gearbox out. And okay, good answer. That's you've got to replace all these. So basically, you've got to replace the head, the back of the head, and put the new part at the front. That's the secretary droid. That's what we got at the minute. Is the secretary droid at the moment. I'm glancing through the instructions. Oh, who needs the instructions? I'm going to be a whiz at this. Anyway, right. Anyway, while we got the commander droid, out, we may as well do a couple of comparisons. Here's your first comparison from. No. We should do General Grievous first. So let me put the camera down for a minute. Still here, but here's General Grievous. Here is General Grievous and a B1 Battle Droid. Sort of not in scale, but it's awesome. Maximus. Look how even the Battle Droid is towered Maximus. And yes, I am doing a comparison. In the commander mode would be easier, so I can show off the commander mode. And the last comparison, I will compare it to a Droidica, what was yesterday's Battle Droid I did a review on. I will put in cards for these comparisons, apart from Maximus. Let's remove the Droidica. You're not the star today. Right, this commander droid, so it's got rubber band function in the arm, so you can do that. There's one on the back, which I will show you either in the security form or its regular form. I'll show how this gearbox works. And there's also another rubber band in there, which I'll show off in a minute. Anyway, I will cut the camera. I will rebuild the ordinary version. I will build the ordinary version. I'll just do a quick jump cut. Back again. There you can see I have changed it. You think you don't believe I have changed it. Ignore the red ones for now. Yeah, there's all the yellow ones. Well, there's all the yellow ones. That's all have come off that droid. He's got a bit of head movement. I forgot to mention that. And of course, they've been secured by rubber bands. So this is the standard droid. So it's a personal option. If you want to have the yellow one with the gearbox, the next job I will show the gearbox. That's dysfunction at the back. Try and wrap down the droid. Try and bring the droid down so I can try and do it. It's easier if I brought the droid down and did it. It's easier if I brought the droid down and did it. There you go. I've got to push that gear, moves the right arm. The right arm's on the gear joint. Gear function. Just do it this side because this side's a little bit better to do. You just push it that way. Then it's held on with a magnet. There you go. There we go. There we go. There he is. He's holding his gun. Hands up. Simple to put the gun back. You just slot it in there like that. There we go. So there's the regular version. There's the regular version. Now, oops, he's dropped. Now I'm gonna have to cut the camera again. So now I can put the red pieces. Now I can put the red pieces on. I'll see you in 2 secs. Should I say seconds? It may not look it, but I have changed it. Back with the edit. There we are. There's the security droid. As you can tell, the only difference with these, you had to replace these ones with red ones. They give you parts for all 3 variations, which is awesome. Because you get 4 red ones, including red piping. There you go. There's our secretary droid. I would do another one, but unfortunately, it would have been the blue one. It will be similar to the red one, but it will have a black top. But it will probably have to have black bees, because these are going to be the blue ones. There we are. If you like this B1 Battle Droid, good luck, because it's very expensive and very rare to find. Yes, if you love it, I would recommend it. Even if you're not a Star Wars fan, you're a big fan of the droids, like I am. Let's bring the crew in. Let's finish it off with the crew. Grievous. Sir. I don't care. Get the job done. Let's get my Droidican shot with the spare part bag out of the way. Yes, if you like these bad boys, I recommend them. If you're a Star Wars fan, that's brilliant. If you're a fan of the battle droids like me, even better. So now I'll edit this video together, and I will see you cuties in the next video. Bye bye.